Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Autocad course. This is our 8th lecture, part 2 of our course. Here we have more different important commands to use. First, we go to draw. Here we have command text command. First, we will discuss. We have two type of text option here: multi-line text and single line text. First, we will discuss single line text. Next, we will discuss multi-line text. First, single line text. In single line text, first we just click the point, and here we fix the must read this message. Text specify height, so it's already 1 feet. I am taking it 1 feet. Okay, then he is asking angle, so I will take 0 angle, so then press enter. Here now I will type the text. Let me type here: engineering expertise. So this is single line text. Now I will press enter to go in the second line, and here click on anywhere on the window to, and then escape. Press escape to make it. Click Z enter, press A enter to make your drawing visible. Zoom all. This is, I write the text in single line text. Here I forget to give the space. Single engineering expertise. Now you can edit it also. You can edit it here. So next, let me draw this line to show you the different features. Press F8 to make line the straight. Now I will show you the different features used in single line text. We have short key for single line text is DT. DT is the short key for single line text, DT. Here, if you want to type the text, just click on the screen to type text. But here, if you go to this justify option, must read this message. To go to this justify option, you will see multiple options to draw the single line text here. First, we have the option left. It means it will type you on the left of your specify point. Here I will show you. Click on the left. No, he is asking text specify start point of the text. Here I will select this point. No, then it's asking for height of the text 1 feet. Press enter. Angle we will take 0. Let's press enter. No, here you will see it will write on the left of your specifying point. It will start from left. You can see it's starting from left. So this is the left option to right. Here you can see it's right, left, but you just pick the point and your text will be on the left by this option. Next option we have, I remove that. Then next I will show you. Again go to single line text option. DT the short key for single line text. Go to justify option. Here you can go to center. Let's show me you this option, center. Here specify the center point of the line. If you have any object or the line, here I am explaining you on the line, but if you have any object, you just need to know, pick the center point, then press here height. You can type height 2 feet, 3 feet as per your requirements. I have 1 feet. I will press enter, and then angle. She is asking angle. If I want to draw the text at 0 angle, then I will just press enter. If I want to type here angle by my own, I will type know the text by the 45 angle. I type here 45, I press, you can see I type here, I will type here 45, then press enter. Now my text angle will be 45, you can see, at the center of the object which I selected. So here I will show you the text. Now you can, it is at the center of the you selected object at 45 angle. So this is how you can select the center option. Then again go to single line text shortkey DT. Here I will show you more option. You can select the right to it and then select your object right point. First point, it will right text will be on your right side of the object. Align command here. Here you will use align command here. Text specify first end point of the text baseline. You will select first end point. Here you will see. Then asking for second end point. It will align your text in between these 2 points. Now I will write here. You will see I will write something. As per you are writing more words, their size will be decreases, but the your text will be aligned between these 2 points which you selected. It will not go further from these 2 points. This is how you can align your text by using this option. Next we go DT text short command for single line text. Here go to justify. You have here middle option also, fit option also, TL top left option. If you have the rectangle here, if you want to, here I will show you. If you want to know, I will show you here. I will draw the lines again. I draw these lines. Now I will show you the text, more types, single line text type. Here go to justify. Here if this is top left, you want to write at the top left, just select the point, then press enter. Here now you will write at the top left, you will see. So these are the options which can be used. DT, here you have more options in justify, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, and middle right. This is bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. These are multiple options. Here I want to show you the difference between the middle and the center. You will see. Now I will select middle. Here middle option, then press enter. I want to keep 1 feet size, angle 0. Then here you will see this text will be drawn at the middle of this line. Half will be above, half will be down. So this is middle, but center mean your text will be at the center of your selected object, but it will be above this line at the center. It will be adjusted at center, but in middle option it will write your text in the middle of this line. Half text will be above, half will be down. This is the difference between middle and center option. Here you have more option. You can also select this. Here you can also select the styles of different styles also. So this was the single line text command. We learn it in detail. Next we will discuss the multiple line text. Actually text is very important whenever we are made or trying So our text discuss our structure, because we are not everywhere to tell the people that this drawing is purpose of this drawing is what and what. So there, where we are not present, our drawing text will discuss about our drawing.